Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be opening the Singleswag box. I got this just on a whim on February 1st or something like that. I was just like, scrolling through my Facebook and it popped up. I'm like, oh, 40% off, okay. So I went and signed up and now I got the box. I'm committed for 3 months with the box, so I'll see what I think of it in 3 months time, and I think I have to renew or something like that by May 15th. It says the renewal date is, so I have to decide by then if I'm going to keep the box or not. I only got the petite size. There is 2 sizes with this, so with the petite size, I think it's $24.99. Regular, I don't know, I got like 40% off of my whole 3-month subscription, so that was a good deal. But it is $24.99 I think for the petite box, which is 3 to 4 full-size items. And then they have the bigger box too. I want to say that it's like $34 or $39.99 a month US. Regular standard shipping, I think $6.95 or something like that. It wasn't that bad. I would show you the box, but I have my thing, but that's what it looks like. And then obviously over the label it has Singleswag too, but it has a shipping address, so I don't want to show that off. Anyways, let's just get into it and show you what it's all about. So like, it's a little bit of everything. I think Singleswag it's supposed to be geared towards single women. I am not single. I just, I'm married. I've been married for 18 months, 19 months now. But you know what? Like, who can deny like cute things? Like, I just wanted the stuff in it. Anyways, let's just get into it and I'll show you what I got. Alright, so, it has cute little, I don't know if you can see that, but it has cute tissue paper and actually says Singleswag on it. So that would actually be cute to keep and like give it to a friend as a gift or something. If they're single, you want to give them like a birthday gift and be like, hey, you're single. There you go. Anyways, you get a card. And it just says, win your next box, take a picture of your box, blah, 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 blah. Hashtag love yourself. And then on the back, it just tells you how much everything costs and what you got in your box and how much your box total was. So this is going to be like really weird. With this box, you get food. So I got Mr. Brownie Rich and Moist Fudgy Blondies. I'm excited. I like food, guys. Like, this will actually probably be shared with my son because it just seems like something he'd like. But food. Apparently, you get like little snacky things in this type of box. Like, so I'm excited. Like, these are like blondies or brownies or yummy snacks. Like, I think in the bigger box you got like a heart-shaped cookie, shortbread cookie. It was really cute. I was really hoping I was gonna get it, but you know what, I'm not disappointed at all with my Mr. Brownie. I'm a sucker for brownies. And next up, you know what, the brownie has like $4 apparently. I doubt it's $4, but that's what they say it is. Next up, what will we show you? We'll show you these because they're super cute. A pair of socks. They're from Stand Up Socks. So they're really cute. They're heart-shaped purple. On the back it says I love me. Like, they're really cute. They're kind of like really stretchy, so they're really cute. Sorry, I just like kind of burped a little bit. But they're cute socks. They're from, New York, so they're not bad socks at all. Socks $18. It says love your soles. Insert winking emoji with tongue out. With these soft, comfy crew socks, a special message from you to you on the bottom. I love me. Well, you know what? I'm married, but I still love me, so why can't I still wear these, right? Alright, next up we have Lily Sky 3-piece beaded bracelet set with charms. Perfect for work, weekend, and everything in between. These chic slip-on bracelets with metal beads and accompanying charms will add style to your look all year round. Wear each bracelet individually or as a stack. You are stronger than you think. These retail for a value of apparently $58. So it comes in a cute little tin. Has LS on it. So that's really cute. And then inside you have the bracelets. So got like a white one. It says "You're stronger than you think" on it. Right, and then you have one, a gray marbly one that has a little eye on it. And then you have like the blue, like a navy blue one, and it has just an LS on that charm. So they're cute. I probably would wear them together just cause, like, why not? Who wants? They actually fit really nice. They're not like too loose or anything. Like, they're pretty nice. I like them. And inside the tin it says "You are stronger than you think." So it's a cute tin for like just. That actually comes out, but I would probably just end up keeping it in there. So it's a cute little tin for something. Alright, so that was what, apparently $58 or something like that. And just drop the sheet. Yeah, $58. Next up is the Blue Revival Knit Twist Pom-Pom Beanie. Stay ultra cozy and on trend with this plush stylish knit beanie with a fluffy faux fur pom-pom on top. I actually need this. I know it's like mid-February, so we don't have too much winter left, but there is still a chance that, you know, we're gonna get huge storms. But the other day I went to put on my hat to go outside, and the pom-pom on my hat like fell off. And then stupid me think, oh, I have to cut that white stitching out. Well, I cut the white stitching out, and you know, my whole top of my hat just opened up. So I'm like, awesome. Now I don't have a hat to wear. But it's a really cute hat. Like, look at that. That is so soft. Like, I'm excited to wear it. Let's wear it now. Let's take this out. We'll finish up the video wearing a hat. What do you think, guys? It's super cute. I'm excited. Like, look at this thing. It's beautiful. So apparently the hat is $36. You know what? It probably is worth that much money. Oh, that's like faux fur, faux leather. It's actually really nice. It is probably actually worth that much money. My other one wasn't cheap either. You know, people have to take in consideration of how much time hats made, like how long they take to make and stuff, and the you know, the quality of the knit and stuff. So anyways, last item is Eat, Pray, Love Made Me Do It. Life journeys inspired by the best-selling memoir. It says this New York Times bestseller showcases true stories inspired by one of the most iconic and beloved best-selling books of all time, Eat, Pray, Love. This candid and captivating collection recounts a diverse range of experiences and journeys, sometimes hilarious, sometimes heartbreaking, but always inspiring. So, I got a book in this box. I am actually a really huge reader. I have a bookshelf over there in the corner. It is completely full. Usually I tend to gravitate towards, like, I guess, suspense novels. Yeah, pretty much that. Like, I still like my supernatural type of books. Like I still love my vampire books. But you know what? I will read this just because like I don't mind these type of books. It's just not something I would go out and buy for myself. But I know with the subscription box you usually get like comedy, from the looks of it, comedy books or like stuff to like make you feel good about yourself. So like a good comedy book or a good like inspirational book. So, and that book apparently retails for $2.16. I don't actually see a price on here. It was probably just one that maybe I'm sure you could probably go online. It says where you get the book from. So it says penguin.com, so you could probably find out the price there. I am reading a book right now, and it's not a suspense book at all. I am reading the Mom Chased by a Cat and Net. It is freaking hilarious. Like, I'm well seasoned as a mom. Like, my daughter's 27 next month, and it's probably geared towards moms that are, you know, just getting started. But this book is hilarious. Like, I'm almost done. But yeah, so you know what? Overall, I'm excited about this. Like the hat. Like I'm excited. So I'll probably end up keeping it. We'll see how the next 2 months go, and then I'll decide from there. So I got the petite size, and I think that was $24.99 regular. There is promos going on, so you know what? Just check it out, Singleswag. I will put everything down below. If you are liking my page at all, why don't you subscribe? My channel, subscribe, hit the bell, give me a thumbs up. Look at all the cute things you get. It's actually really warm, guys. Bracelet. Oh, I look so styling today. Anyways, and it's supposed to be really cold here tomorrow, so this will be perfect. Perfect. Slay Glam Box still is not here. It hasn't even updated on the website. I have no clue what it is, or where it is, not what it is. And Ipsy is on its way. Top box ships out soon. Yeah, so we'll see. Hopefully that gets to me soon. Like, these 2 boxes shipped out after, and I have them before. My OCD kicks in with shipping. Anyways, yes, so subscribe, hit the bell for a notification, give me a thumbs up, and I will see everyone soon. And I hope everyone has a great day and a great weekend. And if you are one that celebrates Valentine's Day, I hope you have a great Valentine's Day. Alright, bye guys.